In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to switch from inches to centimeters in Google Docs. This is a useful feature to know, especially if you work with international teams or need to adhere to metric standards. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open Google Docs and load up the document you're working on. Once you have the document open, your next step is to navigate to the File menu. You'll find this in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu, and from here, you need to select Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, you might notice that the margins are currently set using inches, which is the default setting for many users, particularly in the United States. However, changing these units from inches to centimeters is straightforward. To begin this change, look up to the top right corner of your screen where your profile icon resides and click it. This will open a small menu with the option to manage your Google account. Select this option. Once you're in your Google account settings, there's a quick way to find what you need. Use the search bar to type in the word language. This will guide you directly to the settings related to language preferences. When you see the option to edit language settings appear, click on the pencil icon next to it, which signifies the option to edit. Next, you'll want to type English into the language selection field. This is a crucial step because you're not just selecting any English, you need to choose the United Kingdom variant. This selection is key as it will set your measurement system to metric, which includes centimeters. Once you've chosen United Kingdom, make sure to click Save to confirm these changes. Now head back to your Google Doc. In the document, return to the File menu and select Page Setup again. With the settings saved from your Google account, you should see that the margins are now displayed in centimeters instead of inches. This confirms you've successfully changed the measurement units from inches to centimeters in your Google Docs, and that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily adjust your document settings to use the metric system. This feature is particularly handy if you're working with audiences or collaborators who prefer metric over imperial units, smoothing out any potential confusion. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.